with me now is Mr. Deepak Chopra from F5. So he's going to also speak about his experience being at the Technology Sabha, and also since there has been 2 days full of interaction, collaboration, and understanding the business pain areas and how challenging it is and understanding the challenges which government is facing with respect to security and other things. So Deepak, very quickly, we want to understand from you how you really see the government approaching now security, and what sort of how you are really as a company, as a brand, looking at understanding government challenges and public sector challenges with respect to security. How is that happening now?
Okay. Yeah. First of all, thank you for having us at Tech Sabha. It was a really nice experience because we got to meet a lot of government customers here. Where because even though we work on the field, but still we don't get hold of everyone around the pan India, right? So we got to get hold of customers across pan India, across some of the west region, east region, and and they're across different verticals as well. Like some of them from the power sector, some of them from the different financial sector and agriculture sector like that. And every one of them have different use cases. So we got to know about different use cases and I'm happy to say that we are able to address most of them, because the kind of technology that or the kind of space we are into, it's very much in line with what they have been doing or what they have been trying to do. Okay. Everyone at the panel discussion or whosoever came for the presentation, or whomsoever I've spoken to, everyone was talking about that they're trying to move their applications to some microservices architecture, and they're talking about APIs more. And I also delivered the same session on API security, which was very much relevant what actually they were looking out for.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so
Right.
so it's a wonderful experience. Yeah.
Right. And also, Deepak, F5, as the other speaker also covered about how important is the public sector therefore. But could you also give us sort of the learnings out of this conversation, and how when you go back, how you utilize these discussion and these interactions with respect to your business plans. So you think that you now will work upon various other things and all, or you see that or does it really help you to connect with the as you mentioned that there has been a nice interaction with various government officials, but how you really utilize this? So I just really want to know, so that it helps us, it really gives us your feedback, really important for us. So how you really look at, and what has been your feedback of all these conversations and all, if you can summarize.
So most of the customers that we met here was most of them, we have been interacting them in day in day out, right? Some of them, but here we got to know about their ultimate vision, what as an organization they're trying to do. I mean, when we probably meet them, it's more of a very transactional conversation that we have. But here we got to know about their vision as an organization, right? Okay. So that is where we could actually take some opportunity out of it and understand their use cases in much more detail. So the further discussion that we're trying to have with them is more about trying to figure out what they're trying to do, meeting that ultimate goal which they just mentioned in this meeting, what is where they're trying to go and what is their path, how they're planning to go, and how F5 can really help them in achieving those goals. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Deepak, for sharing your perspective and also giving us the insight which you had during your conversation with the government officials, and we look forward to seeing you in the upcoming sabhas in the future. Thank you so much. Yeah.